Guys, I cannot emphasize more on the importance of personal grooming and style when it comes to looking good at events. So in this video, I will share with you 5 secrets that will help you to look good at your next event. My name is Ryson and welcome to my channel. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. Secret number 1. Perfect your haircut timing, guys. Timing your haircut right is very crucial. You don't want your hair to look shabby as well as you don't want it to look too short, as it will make you look like a schoolboy. So guys, schedule your haircut approximately 10 days prior to the event, which will allow your hair to settle a little bit. And if any adjustments needed after that, you can always do it in between these 10 days. Also on the 9th day or just one day before the event, you might have to go to the barber just to trim your sideburns and give you that razor trimming. Once you do that, your hairstyle will look fresh and well groomed for the occasion. Your hairstyle is the most important thing when it comes to looking good, guys. Also see that you have a haircut that will suit that occasion or that event. Secret number 2. Have your own personal style, guys. Things get difficult and funny when you try to be someone else. So embrace your authentic self, guys, when it comes to personal style. Stay confident, have good posture, have a nice confident walk, meet and greet, and find your right rhythm, guys. Because the way you walk matters. And guys, I have made a lot of videos on how to improve your walking style. I have already created a playlist of it. If you guys have not watched that playlist, then I will put a link of that playlist in the end screens. You can later go there and watch those videos as well. And improve your walk and start walking confidently. Secret number 3. Choose the right colored clothing which will suit your skin tone. Guys, let us face the fact that not all colors suit all skin tones. Choosing the right colored clothes that complement your skin tone can really improve your appearance and enhance your features, guys. Now here you will have to experiment. You will have to try different colors, just try them out and see which color suits you the best. And to know that, try as many colors as you like, guys. Just go for it. Once you try all of them, you will come to know which colors suit you best. By selecting the right color, you can accentuate your natural beauty and radiance at events. Secret number 4, and it's my favorite, guys. Prioritize fitness and well-being. Guys, for your clothes to fit well on your body and to feel confident about yourself, you will have to do the workouts. And now you have motivation, guys. Now you have the event to motivate you. So at least 30 days before the event, see that you start your workout. Now I'm not saying that pay the gym fees for the entire year, guys. No, don't do that. Only pay the 1 month fees and go to the gym only for that 1 month. Because now you have a good why. Your why is strong and your why is to go for the event and to look good at that event. So since your why is strong to impress people, you will go to the gym every single day without missing it. And the key is be consistent, guys. Also take this as your testing time. Observe yourself. Consistent workout can take you a long way, guys. By investing in health and fitness, you can look and feel best at an event, guys. Secret number 5. Find your signature scent. Guys, the power of scent helps you to leave a memorable impression at any event. People remember you on that scent, guys. So find your signature scent that reflects your personality and style. Choose the right fragrance that will complement your natural scent and which resonates your personal taste. By wearing a signature scent, you can leave a lasting olfactory impression and enhance your overall presence at an event. So guys, I'm hoping that you are not just watching my videos, but you are also taking action on my videos. And you are going and trying these things out. Because if you don't try these things out, nothing is going to change. So go and try all these secrets. If they worked for you, see that you come and comment below. If they didn't work for you, also come and comment below and let me know that they did not work. Incorporate these tips, guys, in your grooming and style routine. Because looking good is not just about the appearance, but also about confidence, authenticity, and self-expression. And guys, if you feel that I have missed out something, then see that you comment below and let me know. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.